Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohart, and I'm not gonna lie, I might have took that walk to Poland because I am the party monster. Back in the House of Monster, back out with a brand new video, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a pickup that I just made off of eBay. For those that don't know, I will be going to WrestleMania in LA in like 20 days, so I thought, you know what, while I'm in town, why not go check out a Dodgers game? I love checking out different ball clubs when I'm in their cities and everything. So, yeah, as luck would have it, they're going to be playing that Sunday morning during, well, the week of WrestleMania, actually night 2 and everything. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to check out a game. Your boy has this fitted on lock, but you know what, I had to have a jersey as well because I can't be out there just in regular clothes. So, caught this jersey that I saw for a really good price, and I'm going to show you guys what it is that I picked up. Not gonna lie, a little bit on the curious side because I've actually seen the listing, well, the pictures I saw on the listing on a couple of different platforms, so I'm definitely curious on how this one looks in person. So we're gonna open this up together. And yes, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, join the Monster Club. The road to 1,000 subscribers starts right here, right now, and yeah, I know we can do it and everything. So if you're new to my channel, hit the button. I really do appreciate it and everything. And yeah, other than that, just kind of as luck would have it, I actually did just get a new sponsor for an energy drink company called Dobby. So expect to be hearing about them in future videos and everything. And yeah, so with all that being said, enough talking, let's get it. Okay guys, so I have my box cutter, I have my box, and the listing I saw said it is a 2017 Authentic World Series patch Kenley Jensen jersey. And for those that don't know, he was actually a relief pitcher for the Dodgers. I think he currently plays for the Red Sox, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, and what's kind of weird about the listing, it said authentic jersey, but that picture they showed was definitely a replica. For those that don't know, the Dodgers jerseys definitely have the number on the front of the jersey and the back as well. And yeah, but for $50, I wasn't that pressed at all. So we're going to see what it looks like in person. And it might be a whole different jersey from what was pictured and everything. But yeah, let's just see how this pans out. Okay, so comes in a bag like this. They didn't straight up gave me like a grocery bag. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely not an authentic jersey, but $50, I don't care that much. Anyway, you have the World Series patch on the side, Dodgers on the front, of course, and 74 and whatnot. Like, yeah, I definitely could open up a case if I really wanted to, but I don't care that much. Majestic in the game, blah blah blah. World Series patch. Yeah, it should have a red number right there, but it's whatever. Definitely will get me by for the game and all. I'll probably end up getting another one at the stadium, to be honest with you guys. But just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick look at it and everything. And yeah, just kind of show you guys what I'm going to be rocking April 1st when I'm at Dodger Stadium. Boy, can be out here looking clean. My Jordan 1s, I'm ready. But anyway, that's going to do it for this quick unboxing. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. You think I took an L on this one? Again, $50, not that big a deal. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And more importantly, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. Until next time, remember, be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace.